In the Odisha shocker, where a 15-year-old girl was set on fire by unidentified people in Puri district on Saturday, the girl is said to be in a critical condition and has been admitted to AIIMS Bhubaneswar. The incident took place when the victim was on her way to her friend's house. Doctors said the girl suffered 75% burn injuries, but she is able to speak. According to preliminary investigation, 3 unidentified motorcycle-borne youths intercepted the girl around 9 a.m. at Bayabar village in Balanga police station area when she was going to her friend's house. The DCP there shares some more details. Let's quickly take a listen.
जैसे आपने देखा कि बर्न यूनिट के सामने डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स ने प्रोटेस्ट किया। प्रोटेस्ट के चलते बहुत शोर भी उन लोगों ने मचाया। उसके चलते जो यहाँ पे रोगी हैं, ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आए हैं, जो डॉक्टर्स हैं, रोगियों के जो अटेंडेंट्स हैं, सबको बहुत असुविधा का फेस करना पड़ा। तो दिन में एम्स ने एक नोटिस भी जारी किया था, सारे यहाँ पर सारे पिलर्स पे भी लगाया गया कि यहाँ पे प्रोटेस्ट अलाउड नहीं है और आप यहाँ पे ग्रुप बन के यहाँ पे मत बैठिए, शोर मत कीजिए, रोगी को, अटेंडेंट्स को और डॉक्टर्स को प्रॉब्लम हो रही है। बट उसको उन्होंने नहीं माना। इवनिंग में फिर हमारे जो जोनल एसीपी हैं श्री तापस, वो एग्जीक्यूटिव मजिस्ट्रेट, उन्होंने डिक्लेयर किया यहाँ पे 163 BNSS। उसके बाद 50% लोग लगभग यहाँ से गए और 50% जो लोग नहीं गए उन लोगों को हमने उठाया यहाँ पे और कस्टडी में डिटेन किया।
Deeply disturbing incident there from Odisha. 15-year-old girl set on fire by 3 unidentified men in Puri district. Horrific act took place in broad daylight on Saturday when the girl was on her way to a friend's house. She's now battling for her life at AIIMS Bhubaneswar with 75% injuries, but doctors say she is able to speak. Initial probe reveals the minor was intercepted by 3 bike-borne miscreants near Bayabar village, just a short distance from her home. They in fact forcibly took her to the banks of Bhargavi river, sprinkled an inflammable substance on her body and set her on fire. This is what a police officer said. The incident took place around 1.5 kilometer from her house at now Gopalpur Basti and around 5 to 7 kilometer from Balanga police station. Following the incident, the miscreants fled the spot. Local people doused the fire and later took her to Pipli Government Hospital, from where she was shifted to AIIMS Bhubaneswar.
जैसे बालेश्वर की हमारी बहन की जान गई इस मेडिकल में, इस लड़की का भी जान जाने की बहुत चांसेस है। इसलिए हम चाहते हैं कि आज रात को इसको एयरलिफ्ट किया जाए और दिल्ली लिया जाए एम्स में और उसको अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट मिले। अन्यथा इस एम्स में उसकी जान जाने की पूरी उम्मीद है और हमें इसी डर है कि इस लड़की के साथ भी न्याय नहीं होगा जिस तरह से बालेश्वर की लड़की के साथ न्याय नहीं हुआ।
जो पेशेंट है उनका तबीयत 72 आवर्स वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट, वो डॉक्टर ने भी बता दिया। लेकिन सबसे दिक्कत बात यह है कि जो वार्ड में वो पेशेंट रहता है, जो एडमिट हुआ है, वो पेशेंट के साथ बाकी 11 पेशेंट भी रह रहे हैं। उनके वो यूनिटी के सामने नाराबाजी करना, पॉलिटिकल ड्रामाबाजी करना, ये सब शोभा नहीं देता है। पहले उनका ट्रीटमेंट के लिए मुख्यमंत्री ने सुबह भी बोल दिए थे, अभी बोले हैं अगर जरूरत हो गए तो एयर लिफ्ट भी होगा। एम्स दिल्ली के साथ बातचीत चल रहा है।
We are in the resuscitation. Patient is 70 to 75% burn, and the patient is now in resuscitation phase. That is, we are giving the fluid treatment, and with this fluid treatment, patient is little bit of patient is critical, but resuscitation phase is going on. So we have to look about 12 doctors, 2 nursing officers. We have made a committee. And this committee is looking after the condition of the patient, and accordingly we are planning our treatment.
There you heard, in fact, BJP leader Babu Singh saying the next 72 hours very important for the patient. There are other patients also admitted in the ward. Holding protests and raising slogans outside the ward is not right. We also had a doctor there confirming that the patient is critical, but all efforts are underway to make sure that she in fact, comes out of this difficult situation. Meanwhile, the BJD there and the Congress workers have been staging a protest outside AIIMS Bhubaneswar over a 15-year-old girl who was set on fire by some miscreants at Balanga in Puri district. These workers were protesting right outside AIIMS Bhubaneswar, and in fact they are saying that the condition of this girl is critical as the victim of the Balasore incident lost her life in this hospital. There is a big possibility that the Puri victim may also lose her life. They have been demanding that she be airlifted and transferred to AIIMS Delhi. Some of the workers were also heard saying that the BJP goons, workers and their MLA came here and disrupted our protest. They disturbed the law and order situation here. Meanwhile, former Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has also hit out at the ruling BJP government in the state and said that Odisha is becoming highly unsafe for women. Meanwhile, BJD and Congress workers, they're holding a protest right outside AIIMS Bhubaneswar. Some BJP workers were also present outside AIIMS Bhubaneswar, where the victim is undergoing treatment.